G'day folks, today we are going to be taking a look at the official DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom case right from DJI. It is an impact resistant and waterproof case that will keep your gear protected in adverse conditions. So let's take a closer look. So generally, for the most part, I'm not a big fan of hard cases like this. They offer great protection, but they're bulky. Personally, for myself, I'd rather use a backpack and just a little bit more convenient for me. However, are those times when a case like this is necessary. Usually about this time of year, my girlfriend and I start to plan our summer holidays and our summer trips. We're booking vacations and different things. One of the things we're doing this summer is a week-long canoe trip. We're going to be off the grid, just canoeing, hiking, and camping. So I'm going to bring my Mavic 2 along with me, and I wanted a little bit more protection for it. You know, canoeing, that's a disaster waiting to happen. You never know if you're going to tip. Getting caught in the rain, mud. Yeah, I thought it was time to order one in for the Mavic 2. And I looked at different ones, and I actually really like the layout of the DJI one the best. And it actually looks really nice. It has a nice finish to it and just looks nice and professional. Of course, it says DJI Mavic 2 on the front. There's 2 spots also where it can be locked up if need be. So according to DJI's website, this is waterproof with an IP rating of 67. It's also impact resistant from a height of 1 meter. I'm assuming it could fall from a greater height with little to no damage. So we'll just open it up here. Inside we get a little card here showing us where all the components go. We can put 4 batteries total in here, 3 in the compartments and 1 in the drone. These just slide in there like that. So all the charging accessories go in here. So let's see how everything fits. Cabling. Got the charging hub there. It's got a little compartment here for extra props. I'm just going to throw 2 in there, but it looks like it could hold more. Looks like 4 props total in there. It's got a little compartment there at the side for ND filters. Our remote goes right in there like that. And it actually has cutouts there, so if you want to leave your sticks on, you can. There is a removable compartment there for the charger. Now, it's a little tricky to get out. It's kind of tight in there. And down there is where the car charger and the power bank adapter fit. So just like that. And then we will put the phone back in. And then the aircraft just sits in there like that. And there's some slots here for extra stuff like cabling and whatever else you have to take. So yeah, that's basically that. Now, there's no really way to carry an iPad in here, as far as I can tell anyways. So if you're a person that flies with an iPad, unfortunately you can't fit an iPad in it. That would have to go in a backpack or something. So yeah, that is all packed up and should be protected in there this summer when I'm out adventuring. The official DJI case is a little pricey. I believe it's $118. I think I paid for it when I ordered it. There are cheaper ones on the market. There's bigger ones even that, you can fit more batteries in, ones that you can fit an iPad in. But they tend to get fairly big. And, I'm trying to keep things as small as I can. After all, there's only a limited amount of room in the canoe. So I don't want something that's too big and bulky. And this is actually a nice little size. It's hard to gauge maybe on video, but it's about the size of a small backpack would be. So yeah, folks, that is the DJI Mavic 2 protector case. I'll include the links down below where you can go and check it out further if you wish. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you maybe had your eye on this case and were thinking about getting it, but just wanted to take a closer look, here it is. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.